Let's go.
Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making smothered cubed steak. You will need 2 cube steaks, 3 cups of beef broth, 8 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. In a small bowl, combine your black pepper, salt, and garlic powder, then mix until well combined. Using 1/4 of the seasoning mixture, generously season both sides of your steak. In a shallow dish, add your flour and the remainder of your seasoning mixture. Now whisk until well combined. Place your steaks in the flour mixture, then coat on both sides. Reserve your remaining seasoned flour because it will be used to make the gravy. Add the vegetable oil to the pan, then using medium heat, bring the pan to temperature. Now fry your steaks for 4 minutes on both sides. After 8 minutes, remove your steaks from the pan and set them aside until later. To the same pan, add your onions and saute until they are just translucent. Add the garlic and continue to saute for 2 minutes. Now melt your butter. Add the remaining seasoned flour, then whisk until golden brown. Now pour in your broth, then continue to mix, bringing your liquid to a light simmer. Return your steaks to the pan, reduce the temperature to medium-low, cover, and allow it to simmer for 1 hour. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.